There is a lot of excitement around artificial intelligence and especially generative AI these days. Lots and lots of people are coming up with new ideas, and some of them are scam too. I'm not sure if you have received any, but I routinely receive messages, emails, and other social media approaches where someone is offering me to make money with the help of ChatGPT and generative AI. The funny thing is that I have even seen some of the people spelling ChatGPT wrongly, and still they want to assure me that they are going to tell me a secret where I could just churn out dollars upon dollars by using ChatGPT. My thinking is that if someone wants to teach you how to make money with ChatGPT, they don't know how to make money with ChatGPT, to be honest. Because if they did know how to make money with ChatGPT, they would make money with ChatGPT instead of teaching you how to make money with ChatGPT. There is a huge difference between educating and selling fake promises and misleading people. I had many entrepreneurs asking me to create a passive income workflows and funnels. Well, I told them to go to passive income gurus. And if someone claims that their passion is to make money by teaching how to make money and not actually make money while doing it, just tell them to go away. Well, I think the thing is that most people out there are honest, but there are many who just want to take advantage of others. Just remember, ChatGPT is a tool, not a solution. Before ChatGPT and similar tools, it was fascinating how many people did not know how to use Google search effectively to find answers or solutions. With ChatGPT, that hasn't changed much. Those who knew how to use Google search to find answers are, for the most part, really good at utilizing ChatGPT for their solutions. People who were not good with Google searches are, for the most part, not that much better at using ChatGPT to find accurate solutions either. A wise man once said, at the end, it's not about what you have or what you have accomplished. It's about who you have lifted up, you have made better. It's about what you have given back. So remember that helping others make the world a better place is the thing. So maybe that's the same philosophy you need to follow up. And if someone is offering you a magic bullet to make money from ChatGPT, you know it's a scam. So I hope that this was useful. If you want to share any ChatGPT scammy story, please feel free to put it in the comment section. Thanks for listening.